Hi, we're here today going over Experion. I want to show you what your results will look like whenever you actually run the Experion test. Um, this is the actual ladder is right here, and it needs to match up to these numbers. You'll see two lines right there, and Experion is to test RNA degradation. Okay, so if you have good RNA that hasn't been degraded, you should see two lines across here. You're also going to have an RQI number that's going to be listed down here. And that, here we go. Whenever you score closer to the mark of 10, your RNA is going to be in better shape. So whenever you look at your RQI and you have a 9.4 or a 9.6, you've got some great RNA. It will go all the way down to, I believe, 1 or 0. So the lower the score, the more degraded the RNA is going to be. If you, I'm going to pull up another run, and I'm going to show you what your results will look like whenever your RNA is degraded. Um, this is good RNA. RNA, you want to test this before you go on and do more expensive projects like microarray. You don't want to do microarray or PCRs, which are much more expensive, with RNA that's been degraded. So, and this will show you what you don't want your results to be. It's going to show you the results with degraded RNA. And you see, you no longer have those two lines that go across like a regular gel. This is actually better to use than MOPS and the Agros gels because it's easier to understand your results. It's quicker, it's faster, and it's easier. This is your chip. Remember, I in the last video I showed you the chip. You can do up to 12 samples at a time, including your ladder. Okay, and you'll come out, if it's showing to be degraded RNA, it's going to look something more like this. Just kind of more lines across there, and you're going to get lower scores on your RQI number, which your RQI is going to show in the yellow and in the red, and your RQI could be, 5, 4, and that the lower it goes, the worse off it is. And I've scored some of these RNA that are in bad shape. Some of them are down in like 2.7, 2.9. That's RNA that you really don't want to use for any other tests, any more expensive tests, because it's extremely degraded. This is actually the unit. All you got to do is open the hatch like that. Once you get your chip loaded, you want to put it in here, close it, and hit run. And you'll run is actually right here on your computer. This is what the software looks like. And it will test all 12 of those samples. We'll go over the process in class. But here is also your unit right here. This is your priming unit. And it opens up like this. And you have to prime your chip before you put it in. Okay? And then you also have a vortex station. Once you're done loading your chips, you want to vortex it by using this. And it just turns on. You slip your little chip in here like this, turn it on, and it'll shake it and mix your samples after you've got your RNA samples loaded, and it'll shut off by itself after 1 minute. The priming takes 30 seconds, and you have to do the priming before you do any of the loading or starting the actual process of Experion by itself. You have to do a cleaning before you actually use the Experion unit, and you do it with this, the electrode cleaner, okay? And you put 800 microliters of this electrode cleaner into this green chip, okay? See the green chip? And then once you're done with that, you'll also put 800 microliters of the deep sea treated water, which is this, deep sea treated water, into another unit, green chip, and place it into the machine. And then it should be clean after you do 2 sets of deep sea water. We're probably going to do this in class, so you'll get your experience, but I just want to give you a shot at what Experion looks like. And this would be very helpful in your labs if you could do this instead of your mops and your agarose gels. It's just much easier process. It's also more expensive, but the results are definitely worth the money. Okay, y'all have a good day.